plant has never failed to deliver what the nation desires of it. The CLW presents a seamless amalgamation of state-of-the-art technology and a highly skilled human workforce. To begin with, the shell is fabricated using different components of mild steel like sidewall, center sill, complete underframe and driver's cab. After cutting plates of different sizes to the required dimensions. In addition, certain products are manufactured indigenously by its own foundry. A three-phased induction motor is used as the main traction motor on the locomotive, which mainly consists of stator housing and rotor. The stator is fabricated through rolling of plates of different sizes on which copper coils are laid down as per design. The rotor assembly consists mainly of laminations through which rotor bars are embedded. A rotor shaft is used for coupling of rotor to the drive gear assembly. Bare wheel discs along with axles are procured from outside. Turning of bare wheel disc is done to achieve the design profile, after which wheel discs are pressed on both sides of the axle, followed by mounting of axle boxes. The bogie is fabricated after cutting of plates in different sizes. Traction motors are mounted on assembled wheel sets and put on the bogie at different locations. Necessary sub-assemblies like springs, dampers and the likes are provided. The shell is first painted on both sides and then equipped with pipes of different sizes. Thereafter, cables are laid for different equipments. Mounting of different equipments is done inside as well as under the shell. The shell, after mounting of different equipments, is lowered on the assembled bogies and necessary adjustments are carried out to achieve the desired clearances. The locomotive is tested for proper functioning of all the equipments under different conditions. Necessary field trials are also carried out by running the locomotive as per desired norms. Later, the locomotive is dispatched to nominated sheds.